We are going to be looking at two problems out of Chapter 3, Section 3, Problems 23 and 24. Problem number 23, we need to determine if the function is concave up or concave down. To do this, what we can do is use our calculator to graph the function. So we have the calculator on the screen here. So I am going to put this particular function into the calculator. This is the function x raised to the 1/2 power. If you're going to raise to a power such as 1/2, you have to be sure to put it inside of parentheses. We are only interested in this particular one. It says in the first quadrant. I didn't write that up here, but we are only looking at the first quadrant here. So in my window, if I'm only looking at the first quadrant, I'm going to go from 0 and also from 0. So this will give me only the first quadrant. I've chosen numbers that are relatively nice here, but let's look at this particular graph when we graph it now. When we look at this graph, hopefully you can see that this is sort of bending downward. Since this is bending downward, our answer for for number 23 is that this is concave downward. If I would like to write this, I need to get my pointer options going here. And choosing an ink color, let's choose dark blue. And so using a pen, my answer for this one I'm going to have is that this one is going to be down. So this one here is going to be concave down. If we look at the second exercise, I'm going to take this here and graph it. Oh, I had that slightly wrong. This is supposed to be to the 1/2 power. If I look at that graph, my solution is still going to be the same. This is concave downward, hence it's bending down. Let's look at another graph then. If the number 24 here, this is going to be to the 3/2 power. So let's look at this graph. And this one here, it's bending up. So on this one here, our answer, this is going to be concave. This one would be concave up. This then completes exercises 23 and 24 having to do with concavity.